We all remember Tamagotchis, right? The keychain-sized virtual pets that we all fell in love with a little bit too much and inevitably died when left in the custody of our parents. Well, that was the 1990s, a full 30 years ago. And in that time, our desire to look after our virtual friends really hasn't changed, but the technology absolutely has. This is Eiliko, an AI-driven virtual pet which is designed to be highly customizable and sit right on your backpack. In terms of this guy's or girl's design, it may look pretty familiar to you. That's actually because this is the younger brother of Eiliko, the desktop robot by Energize Labs. Taking a look around the hardware, you're going to notice there's actually no moving parts, and that is an advantage here, because the last thing you want is to be able to break off an arm or a leg when you're moving about, especially as this thing's meant to be on your backpack 24/7. Almost all of the magic actually happens in the head. Around back is where you've got your speaker and the USB-C charging port. Right at the top is where you've got a place to attach your lanyard and attach it onto your bags or wherever else you want to hang this thing. On the top, you'll see a touch-sensitive button. This is where you'll be doing the majority of the interacting when it comes to Eiliko. Flip it over to the front and you'll be greeted by that nice, big and bright 1.2-inch LCD display. There's also an IR sensor and receiver there, and microphones built into the ears, so you can talk directly to Eiliko wherever you are. But the thing that makes Eiliko the absolutely perfect backpack companion isn't the tech itself, it's actually the customization around it. You see, you can purchase these separate bodies, and by slowly twisting and decapitating your virtual friend, you can actually change the body style. This doesn't just change it aesthetically either, this completely changes your Eiliko's personality and some of the responses and animations that it shows. We'll talk a little bit more about how their personalities change in a little bit when we get on to interacting with it. Honestly though, I think these guys are pretty amazing. The form factor is absolutely perfect for sitting on a backpack. It's not too big and also not too small that you can't really interact with it or enjoy all of those facial animations. The included lanyards that you get both with Eiliko and any of the additional bodies that you choose are a nice touch. They're well designed and well thought out and also colour matched to the body. It's not just a functional AI friend, it's actually a part of the outfit that you wear every single day. For many of the baseline features that Eiliko has, you actually don't even need to do any setup. Hold down the button on the top of his head and it will come alive and will be ready to use almost instantly. The first thing you'll see is these incredibly expressive and fun eyes. This is the majority of the interaction that you'll see with Eiliko, and I absolutely love the sheer breadth and depth of the animations that you have here. Interacting with your virtual friend couldn't be simpler either. You can simply stroke the top of their head, and they'll purr and give a fun little satisfied animation. Clicking once will swap between a few different styles. This could be happy, sad, angry, confused, scared, and so many more. Double tapping allows you to enable some of those body-specific animations. Like here we've got the magician who can pull a rabbit out of a hat. If you're feeling extra mean, you can even give your little friend a little shake and they'll show a dizzy or sick animation, which is cute, but I wouldn't do it too much because virtual pets have feelings too, right? Aside from physically touching and interacting with your friend, you can actually interact with them with your voice by simply saying the wake word, "Hey Eiliko." This is a little bit confusing because this is technically Eiliko, but for whatever reason they only respond when you say the word Eiliko. As to be expected, when out in the wild and in more noisy environments, these don't work particularly well and it can sometimes struggle to pick you up. But when you're in offline mode, it can answer some pretty generic questions and trigger certain animations and even turn the volume up and down.
High five.
Remember the IR sensors that we discussed earlier? Well, they actually play a pretty important and really cute part in your whole virtual pet's feelings and emotions. See, Eiliko is actually a surprisingly social creature. They want to make friends and they bond for life. If your significant other or best friend also has an Eiliko, you can put them into pairing mode and face them towards each other, and after a short handshake, they'll be bonded for life. Whenever they see each other, they'll interact, talking, playing, and even flirting with each other. It allows you to feel connected to your friends and your loved ones through your toys and accessories. It is worth warning though that you do have to be very specific with who you want your Eiliko to pair to, because they only pair once. These guys are fiercely loyal. Before we continue with talking a little bit more about Eiliko and the LLM style features, I do just want to say that if this is the first time that you're seeing my face on your screen, then 1, lucky you. And 2, go down there, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. Now, of course, it wouldn't be 2026 if we didn't talk about large language model support. And thankfully, Eiliko has you covered here too. By connecting them up to the Energize Lab app, you can connect them to a 2.4 GHz network. And then by double tapping the button on their head, they'll go into connection mode. You can also do this by saying, "Hey Eilik, talk to me." You'll know they're connected to the internet when you see the brightly coloured, vibrant rainbow eyes that flicker. This notes that they are online and connected to the internet, ready to answer even some pretty complex questions. The responses here are actually lightning fast. We're talking under 2 seconds for certain questions. For things like mathematical equations and maybe even finding out the tallest building in the world. I do want to keep your expectations in check though. Eiliko's knowledge base is still pretty limited. Energize Lab are saying that they are going to make it more capable over time and expand its knowledge base, but right now it can be a little bit limited if you're asking more technical or specific questions. Now, we talked a little bit about outfits earlier, and they actually completely change how Eiliko responds to you. Are you a magician? Let's say you ask it a question like, "Tell me a joke." Well, the actual response will change based upon the outfit that it's wearing. Dracula will give you a darker, more moody joke, whereas the bumblebee might give you a pollen-related joke. It's a really fun way to be able to properly connect with your virtual pet and express your style in fun, unique ways. So for online connected chat, this thing's actually pretty cool. Just don't expect Gemini and ChatGPT levels of interaction here. So lastly then, let's talk about price, because that's another surprising point with these guys. Eiliko starts at just $60, which is insanely cheap for the amount of tech that you actually get here. Of course there are accessories you can buy too, like those swappable bodies. These typically come in blind box style, where you can choose a different theme, for example a festive theme, and you'll get one of 4 or 5 different bodies. These come to just $20, or you can buy the full set for around $60. You don't just get the body either, you get a nice little stand and a card that enables you to display your bodies when not in use. So I suppose the question is then, would I recommend Eiliko? Well, I actually think this is a great virtual pet. The ability for it to come with you wherever you are and the customization to be able to fit with the style of your outfit that day is pretty incredible. Its fun, unique animation styles and different bodies really do make it a head turner. My biggest issue with it though is actually its battery life. You see, this guy will only last for about 1.5 to 2.5 hours on a single charge. So if you want your little buddy to last and live with you all day, you're going to need to have him connected to some kind of battery pack. Technically this is possible and even pretty easy to do because it's already in your bag. Just have the battery pack in there connected up to the head. I honestly think there is no better virtual pet on the market right now for on-the-go fun and fashion. So what do you guys think of Eiliko? Why don't you let me know in the comment section down below, and of course while you're down there as well, go ahead and get subscribed because it genuinely does mean the world to me. Anyway guys, my name's been Robert, this has been Bite Size Clue, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.